Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will demonstrate how to batch assign tests to stored samples. Go to the Storage Management module. Select the storage container in which the samples to be tested are present. Now, click Assign Test. The Assign Test window displays the common test types associated with all samples present in the storage unit. Select one or multiple test types with which you would like to associate the samples, and press Assign Test. All samples in the storage unit are automatically assigned to the selected test. CloudLIMS creates records under the selected test types depending on the number of samples in the storage unit and the number of test types selected. For example, if you assign two different test types to 10 samples present in a storage unit, CloudLIMS creates 10 records with the same test ID under each test type. This functionality reduces the turnaround time, saves effort, and reduces the chances of manual errors. Thank you for watching the video. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0447.